Welcome to beginner's course on programmatic advertising. In this video, we are going to cover advanced concept of publisher. In the display advertising ecosystem, publishers have to manage various parties to run their business. It includes technology platforms, advertisers, and consumers. Publishers have to maintain standards and meet the requirements of various selling ad tech platforms to make revenue out of their content and ad inventory. Advertisers use technology and data to purchase the ad inventory, choosing various ways and different things in mind. Publishers need to understand how advertisers buy the ad inventory. Most importantly, publishers have to manage users or consumers with their user-friendly media and content and provide better user experience. Keeping all this in mind, publishers have to find various ways to make profit and grow. Monetization is a process of making something into money. Publisher monetization is the process of converting ad inventory into revenue for them. Let's consider this case. Publisher Media as a website, it is the center of online publishing business and functions as one of the most important way to deliver content to consumers and earn revenue. Every website has its own way of delivering content. Solution for one website may not work for another website. In this video, let's understand some of the factors that affect publisher revenue and profits. This helps publisher to take business decisions. Firstly, volume of ad inventory that can be created. In the display advertising ecosystem, publishers have to maintain specific ratio of the number of ad spaces on their pages to the content around them. Consumers visit the content in a website which is a primary one. For any advertiser, their advertisements are primary, not the content. Publishers have to manage both advertisers and consumers as well. One of the famous ad network called AdSense suggests that publishers have to maintain only 3 ad units per single web page. Most of the publishers think that creating more ad spaces in a website increase the chance of earning more revenue by placing advertisers' ads. What if you place too many ads in a single website in every single page as shown in the figure? For example, while you are watching this video, what if there are repeated ads shown to you? You might have experienced this on any website or web page with more number of ads that seems to be equal to the content in the page. Having a single web page with too many ad units will have negative effect on user experience and affect few metrics related to traffic. Advertisers also don't like to see large number of other advertisements in the single page. As a publisher, one needs to balance both so that business can run smoothly and efficiently. Practically, publisher need to limit number of ad spaces created around the content, and this will maximize the impact of advertisements. If publisher can create less number of ad spaces, this may lead to earning less revenue. But users or visitors feel comfortable and don't get annoyed when reading or watching the content. Make sure to create more ad spaces as long as it doesn't make the content reader or visitor run away. For example, in a website, there are 6 ad spaces created along with the content. This may annoy users and will affect user satisfaction when they visit your website. If there are only 3 ad spaces in a page, it looks user friendly, which increases site traffic by pulling them once again to the page. This helps to increase the ad inventory value too. So finally, if we consider a website as a media, number of ad spaces is directly proportional to number of web pages. That means when more number of web pages are created, there is a chance of increasing ad spaces too. K is the average number of ad inventory created in the overall website. As a publisher, one needs to balance the K value. If K value increases, revenue also increases. Number of ad spaces is directly proportional to number of web pages. And also, ad inventory is directly proportional to number of ad spaces. Number of ads to run is directly proportional to how much ad inventory is created. Let's understand how the price of ads affects the revenue and profits. A land space is available for rent, and owner always try to sell it to the one who pays high price among the other buyers. Likewise, any publisher doesn't leave the chance of selling the ad space at a high price. Let's consider one example here. I am planning to sell this ad space and there are 4 advertisers who want to purchase it. Among the prices that they submitted, I would like to sell at a higher price. This will increase the revenue generated from that particular ad slot when compared with choosing other advertisers. But there are other cases you see a price discrimination between the advertisers for the same inventory. You may sell at one price to one advertiser and different price for another advertiser. Publisher try to sell the inventory as much as they can. Higher the price they get, higher the revenue they can earn. They always try to optimize and maximize the average price received. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries or would like to share your valuable feedback, feel free to reach out to learnersearchglobal@gmail.com or write under comment section. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get notification of every video we upload in programmatic advertising. Take care and stay safe. Stay tuned for next video.